Well, it's been a year since we've restored this gorgeous 400R. We've received many positive comments, so thank you for all the support. If you haven't seen our original restoration video, the link is in the description. The owner, needless to say, has been thoroughly satisfied with our work. But of course, there are still things upon which we can improve. Well, every time the owner drives the car, he sees the brand new passenger seat right next to him, but if he turns around, he sees the old upholstery. Not acceptable, so he said, let's order new rear seats too. After a few months' wait, Nismo sent us a brand new set. Very easy to install, and it'll help the owner sleep much better at night. We have also got a surprise for him. We found a set of original Nissan protective seat covers for the R33. So, when the car needs to be serviced, we can put these on to protect those brand new seats. Plus, when we deliver the car back to the owner, it'll feel as though the car has just rolled off the production line. That new car delivery excitement that every owner dreams about. If you're a true car enthusiast, memorabilia is a big part of the culture. At the top of the list is, of course, model cars of your real ride. Here we have two 1/43rd scale versions of the white 400R that we sourced for the owner. Now here's something pretty awesome. A Japanese model company has been making these lovely 1/6 scale RB26 model engines. What you see here is a generic example of the R34 GTR. So we asked them, hey, can you please custom make a 400R Rbx Gt2 engine for us? Glad to report that with a little coaxing, they said yes to our request, and here it is. What an awesome piece of art. Notice that they have also made a special Rbx Gt2 Plaque. We just have to put this next to the real engine to take some footage. How cool is this? With the original catalog and custom-made key holder we produced, the owner definitely has a stunning set of 400R memorabilia, perfect for display in his office, garage, or man cave. While the car is back, we're giving it a thorough wash. Remember, we applied a few layers of glass coating to the exterior? After the rinse, you can see how the water just slides off the finish. So, all we need to do is use some compressed air to blow away the excess water and completely dry the car. No towels need to touch the car, which greatly reduces the risk of leaving swirl marks on the perfect paintwork. One extra precaution to keep the 400R as new and pristine as possible. The car is ready to be picked up, and we're confident the owner will appreciate our latest efforts. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and thank you for watching.